Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I wanted to do a Fashion Nova haul, and I really try not to shop at Fashion Nova, but it's so hard not to. It's a little bit cheaper than what you would pay at Forever 21 if you shop online and use a coupon code, and they have sales pretty often. Like, you can always save 30% if you use like a certain code. The shipping is extremely fast. I think that's probably why I shop the most at Fashion Nova, is because of the shipping. If I were to order tonight, my order would be shipped out tomorrow and it'd be here in 2 days. That's mainly the reason why I like to shop there, is because I get it super fast. Now the returns aren't so easy. Like, that's probably what I hate too, but I try to make sure that I like everything, and I try to look at what kind of material it is. But for the most part, I usually always like what I buy. I sometimes return if it's an item that cost over $30 originally, then I'll return it, but I usually try to keep everything. So for this season, I wanted to get a few bodysuits. I like that it's not too thick. It's pretty thin. I didn't know if it was going to be see-through or not, but it doesn't look like it's see-through. I like that it is a thong bodysuit. I want it to look like my shirt is tucked in, but I don't want to see underwear lines. I absolutely hate underwear lines, and they usually do tell you in the description if it's a thong bodysuit or not. Next up is, this is supposed to be like a pajama loungewear. This one is called the Your One and Only Sleep Romper. I feel like at this point they're just running out of names and they just give the most ridiculous names for things, but whatever. I decided to get this one in a dark gray. Next, I got a sweater set. Wanted to get the set because it has gotten really cold here in Minnesota, and on days where I just don't really feel like wearing jeans, I could just throw these on. And I also got the sweater that went along with it because I am obsessed with sets. That's just my thing. Like, I love sets. So if it comes in a set, I would like it. And these just fit like super basic. There's no special fit. Next up is this shirt, and this one is actually from the men's department from Fashion Nova, and this one is an AC/DC shirt. I got this in a size medium. I wish I would have gotten it in a size large because of the look that I'm going for. I'm planning to do like a super casual look, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because I will be posting how I'm styling this. Next up is a beautiful satin dress. I was really excited about this, but now after receiving it, it's super cheap. Like, I literally could have made this myself, just cut up satin and made it myself. It's made so poorly. This one was on sale, and you usually can't return clearance sale items. This one is called the Turn to You Satin Midi Dress, and this is in lavender. I got this in a size medium because I saw how it fit on the model, and it looked like it was meant to be form-fitting. And when I wear satin dresses, I like my satin dresses to fit a little bit more loosely, so I got this in a size medium, and I love the way that it fits. I feel like it sits on my body perfectly. It's not too tight, but it's not too loose. But these strings, like, oh my god, they're stretchy, but the way that they're sewn on, it's like they're just holding on for dear life. But what I hate about it is the edges. Like, it's just frayed edges. Like, it's not, I don't know, I just feel like it looks super cheap and whatever. I literally bought this to just take a picture in. So moving on, I got a velour set. I've always loved velour outfits. Like, I don't know why, I just always loved velour outfits. But I got rid of all my velour outfits. When I was cleaning out my closet, I decided to just give them to my little sister. These ones, they're like jogger bottoms. You know, they scrunch at your ankle, which I really like. I also have this one in black, and I ordered it with my previous order, which I should have shown you guys, but that would have been a really long video. I got this one in the pink color. This one is the original trendsetter set, and yeah, I just think it's so cute. Next, I got a skirt, and this one is called Hold On To Me skirt in the color wine, and this one is an extra small. Their sizing is weird. Sometimes I'm an extra small, sometimes I'm a small, depending on the size. I mean, I saw it and I was like, wow, that looks insane. Like, it's not gonna fit, but it's pretty stretchy, but it's still a little tight on me, and I was kind of iffy about getting this skirt because it's an extra small, and usually for skirts I just like to go a size up. Like, I'm usually the smallest size that Fashion Nova carries, depending on the material, and so I would have gotten a size small if there was a size small, but this was actually on clearance for $9, and so I just took a leap of faith and bought it anyway because, you know, after the discount it was just super cheap. So I'm like, whatever. Next up is another bodysuit, and these I started putting some on hangers, but since I was going to try them on anyway, I decided to just stop after 3. So this one is on a hanger, but this one is a thong bodysuit as well. And this one has like that thin ribbed material like the gray one, but I like that the sleeves are mesh. Next up is a black like shirt dress or like a tunic. So this one just goes down to like my mid-thigh. It's just a plain black long sleeve like mini dress. It's called the Beverly Hills tunic, and I really like this one actually because this is double layered. The last item I got is probably my favorite. I mean, it's between this one and the lavender one, but this is another satin dress. I'm telling you guys, I've been obsessed with satin dresses. I love that they're trending now because I've always loved the look of a satin slip dress. I just think that it's so girly, it's so feminine. So I posted a picture with me wearing this dress but in the neon green color. I just love the way that it looks, and I love the way that it fits. It's not a really tight dress. I love the cowl neck. What I like about this dress is that it has strings on the side, so you can scrunch it up. You can see one side is scrunched up. I like that you can really switch up the look. You can have a mini dress or a midi dress. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys would like more fashion videos from me. I know I haven't really done any since last year when I was pregnant. I feel like I'm always placing orders on Fashion Nova, which I really need to stop doing. They do always have sales, and so for this one, they were having, it was about 40%. Alright, so that is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!